Welcome. In this video I will show you how to reset your GARMIN Bounce 2. In order to do this, you have to open the apps menu by pressing the start button or the tab button on your watch. Then go to settings menu. In settings menu, scroll down to system, then go to diagnostics, and in diagnostics scroll down to reset. Then in reset menu, you can either reset default settings on your watch, delete data and reset settings, or delete temporary files. Just go with whichever option you need, and this way you will perform the reset of your Garmin watch. And that's it for this video. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.